Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the AC runs in cooling or auto. This ensures sleep mode modifies temperature predictably. Set your base temperature now, because sleep mode will raise it 1 degree C each hour up to a 2 degrees C total increase to save energy. Press the sleep button on the remote and confirm the moon or sleep icon appears on the indoor unit. This tells you the function is active and will control fan and set point automatically. Once sleep mode is active, choose fan speed auto or low to balance comfort and noise. You can add the timer for a fixed run. Press timer, set hours between 1 and 8, and sleep mode will end automatically. This prevents overcooling. Make sure to watch the indoor display. You should see temperature shift indicators and an active fan symbol. If you want to tweak comfort, changing the base temp before enabling sleep adjusts how warm it will become during the night. To finish, press sleep again or change the operating mode. The system returns to your base set point and normal fan control. If the remote seems unresponsive, replace batteries and try within 1 to 2 minutes, because interference or low power often causes missed commands. If sleep still fails, power cycle the indoor unit, turn off for 30 seconds, then on, and watch the display for an error code. That code points to sensors or communication faults and guides the next repair step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.